She hates the boots. They're reflective. She's actually not doing that bad.
Here, have a treat. Yay, boots.
Yay, boots.
Come here.
Reese. No, what's happening? Don't freak out. They're just boots.
This way. Oh. It's okay.
She was like running straight into the wall. They're on her feet, right? They glow brightly.
Or do they?
Yeah.
Good girl. Come on.
Come on, you can walk with them. Come on.
Come on. Oh my god.
She doesn't seem to enjoy them. Oh god, she has demon eyes.
Oh god. Stop it. Come on. Good girl.
Yeah. Boots. These boots are good. They're so good. Yeah, boots.
Hi. Don't go to the table.
She's so mad.
He's wagging your tail.
But if you didn't have the boots, your feet would hurt so much. She's like, why is there light in my eyes?
Come on.
Come here, Reese, come here.
Oh, you got one off.
Yeah, you can do it. Yeah, you did it.
She's like kicking herself in the face. You got the other one off.
How did you do that? No, the tablet. She's destroying everything.
This one's almost off.
Jeez, she knows how to get
The
them
other one's
off.
off too. How did you do that?
How did you do that?
Yeah, there.
How did you do that?
Escape the boots.
I'm free.